Welcome back guys to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Now guys, well, I have to sit down good for this one here. Guys, the other day, me do some video and explain a couple things, talk about a couple things about Crissy, about CMR. However, guys, me get a call, and the call me get, two individuals call me and outline to me the reason why Crissy is in trouble. The reason why Crissy nah say nothing, can't say nothing. So me I said to them, so you mean can't say nothing and nah say nothing? And them I said to me, say, no, Crissy can't say nothing. I'm afraid to say something. Because, one, them say, Crissy is not the one who control the YouTube. CMR control all the YouTube, all the money, all you see Crissy are going there. So me put two and two together and me say, oh, so that mean when Crissy make up in channel and start sell in clothes. That's why she was so happy, because that's her thing. She made that. I mean, I say, okay. So them said to me, say, just think, if Crissy could have moved on her own, she would have moved on her own. But she can't move because the brother a manipulator, is a little narcissist, and she afraid of the brother. I mean, in my head, I say, okay, so that's why when the girl, Shani, and him, CMR did there, Crissy say, oh, the girl have a credit card, and she, Crissy, never have no credit card, can't spend money. So me sit down and me think, and me talk. And one of the individuals said to me, say, you remember when you do the video, and you say, oh, Crissy call CMR at Jamaica and want him to take out something out of the video? And me say, yes, me remember that. And me say, you know, even the people in online, I said to me, say, me chat too much, me no know nothing. And cousin him a call, them say, no, I don't know cousin him a call. A CMR him a call for do it, even though CMR in a Jamaica, a CMR control everything. If you listen to Crissy, Crissy say she have to watch every video before it go out. And me say, oh, I no lie them I tell. I really CMR control that part. Now, me make that video. It was a 30-minute video. And my viewers and subscribers, me sit down and me say, me hold on a little bit, because me get another call. And the other call when me get say, ease up off of Crissy a little bit. And me say, nah man, me can't ease up off of Crissy. Crissy nah tell we what go on. And when the individual said, no man, me I beg you, ease up off of Crissy. Crissy untied. And me say, what you mean Crissy untied? Tell me something more then, since as you know all that. And this person now tell me, say, Crissy want to move, but you can't move. And me say, what? I say, man, this don't sound good. Yeah, man, I say, this don't sound good none at all. Crissy want to move and can't move. So me start to add everything together. And me start to put everything together. Me start to make some calls. However, the viewers and subscribers, me never did have to go too far. A lady who is a friend of Crissy's family. She's a social worker, 63-year-old, living in the United States, bust the floodgate wide open. My viewers and subscribers, good God. My viewers and my subscriber, I'm about to play a video. This lady calling from Vibes Studio live and bust the floodgate wide open. To all my viewers and subscribers, listen to me now. Before you listen to this video, yeah, get no go for no popcorn. Go for a towel, go for a rag, go for some napkins, and get ready for wipe your eye. Get ready for wipe your eyes. Because this your video, yeah, this your what the lady have to say, no sound good. This a lady a open my floodgate where all we know long time, but this a lady a give we the full 1,000,000% of what really a go on in the house there and with the family and with CMR. Long time, all you see CMR a go on like him a big dog, like him a big Dan. Me want you listen to what the lady have to say about him a go sue. Sue who? Me never did a worry about him and suing, because him have to ready for me. But a different basis, him have to ready for me. That's why me name talk about, when him talk about suing, me name said nothing. Because when him talk about suing, him have to come good over my spot. Them said, dopey no fi frightened, but my viewers and my subscriber, me want to know fi listen to where this social worker, this lady from Jamaica, 63-year-old, she going to explain some things to you. Me say, get your rag and you ready, get ready. Here we go. Listen to her. And I will talk to you afterwards. Listen.
I just want to tell you this, you see, and I'm glad I can talk, Colleen. You see, Crystal, I know Crystal, mother and I was close friend. Me even still is a part of the family. Oh. Her mother, Maxine. You see, Maxine, I want to call her for ask her. Just make CMR stop talk. The more him walk me mouth, the more him bring down Crystal. I don't around them, you know. I am not around them. But you see, CMR, him act like him a bad man and him a mad man. Me have a friend of mine, sometimes me help her send money, go get CMR mother at Jamaica. Like a Jamaica. You understand? All him 50 acre and him this and him granny live so bad at Jamaica and him mother. A Maxine, Crystal, me and Maxine our first child, the cherry breed together, a Linstead. The last time I talked to Maxine, I went to compare. Let's see, them are running and go on. I'm not going to get involved and try to bash Crissy. But let me tell you something, Crystal mother know the same thing what happened to Janae. Me at 63 happened to me.
Oh no.
I see man bring back so much thing, Bobby. If I see man come out with this, me say I'm nervous, man. To take nervous pill, medication, Depan. See man, I know what I do. If me see me squeeze neck, me I beg you to stop the bashing of Crystal and please don't take the time. When CMR come and look at him soul, CMR have the soul, him eye dark, him dark.
Yes, I see it. Me too, me can't look at him.
Him not have the soul. Let me tell you something. Me the social worker. CMR can't go nowhere. Me the America 40 years, me live in New York, me live here now. CMR can go to the house with permission and somebody's there. CMR not in a Crystal. You see, Crystal's father, me know Maxine, the whole way you want to pando. Maxine father, I want prominent man, even though we are the family, my still family. Maxine are the only picnic for the man. Oliver Samuel boarding a Maxine Crystal grandmother in the house where you see them dead now. Boarding.
And I'm gonna tell you, Oliver grew up with my family in Jamaica.
Oliver went to Dintil High School and his Oliver auntie, the last uncle family member for Al Maxine, just passed the other day at Rochester. That's it. Listen, Crystal, you look on CMR when him say like Crystal I got to something him come on. You see when I hear about this thing, somebody call me and tell me, I say, Jesus God, please I'm not Janae. And I'm gonna call her there. Please it's not her. I call the family, you know, when they here and I said to her, them I do not like the way when them a video and just have the video upon the little girl down there. So I know him go on him. They can't just see him. I saw him lick like the predator. My auntie, man, he never greet me. But the same thing what the little girl saying did. And up until now, my auntie separate the family. Maxine, Crissy, mama can't tell you. Crissy family them here. Separate to the worst thing when you leave your family. And this auntie was everything to me. And she teach me for the body touch for what to say. And when it comes to the point, you know what hurt me? It's been easy to hear Crystal don't say nothing. It's how you come out. It's not so you come. Oh, you don't say nothing. And you make her name out there. So I went the last year because my auntie right now I suffer at Jamaica because of the tears that and up until then the last year my auntie turned and said to me, say, but him say me coming upon him when yes when it happened when him touch me first, I tell my grandmother because that's how we raised. If you tell she say anything, tell her. My grandmother says to me, all right then, don't say nothing. If him do it again, tell me. And he did it. This time him go as far as down at my bottom part, me touch up on my top. Me at 13, remember you just a grow titty. And him touch it hurt me. And him, next time him grab down the so and him use him tongue and come up behind and lick my ears. And because my going and tell my grandmother take me to my auntie and tell him, she said, what? And then she starts selling the wholesale material them. And she say, all right, and you just you hear the little girl say, and him stop. She say, why your brother then come from town, leave my son, pick me them and leave me alone.
This is so hard.
Why?
And how old are you now?
63.
You saw me talk about
Don't
this
don't
age,
cry.
from
Don't
13
cry.
to 63. Maria, we're with you. We really
It's just that right now, but just stand as you feel. Just believe the little girl. Make him stop. The more him talk is the more it hurt. I'm going to tell you up to from it happen. Things will be done. Suppress and come back.
Bring up some white art to Mariana people.
The more him talk and the more the flooded in me coming back. It's just to show that you tell your own. It's that, let me tell you, Crystal, no. The little girl is intelligent. Listen to the information and read it. She said, I told him to stop because he knows what he's doing. She didn't want to tell any adult because she don't want to get in trouble. That's why poor Crissy put the video in the room. She put the camera and she said, all right then, let me see. But she is a manipulator and not to fix the camera. And she go, Crissy is a mother dog for her people them. In spite of what? Look how she deal. Not sure I know them, you know. Look how she deal with her people. Jide. You remember one point in that put us where the little girl about tattoo and we are pretty go on?
Yes.
If they believe in hurt me, if they get the chance, man, I'm telling you, can't do nothing. You can't do nobody go sue. Take the suing money, go fix up the mama out. I'm going to make him mother talk beg people America. The mother not do nothing wrong. Him an idiot. Tell me about idiot. Tell him me. I want Maxine here, my voice. I want Maxine. Never say Maxine come out, come say, no. The girl where you see she have panel and goddaughter, a big foster mother Connecticut. And she live with this every day knowing it. You know, if you see the little friend ever send her come round there. But him of shop him pick them. And
Maria, you know CMR in person. Like
I don't know CMR. No, I don't know Crystal either, you know. I know Crissy mother. And Crissy mother first child. The three we have kids together. Me leave Jamaica from 1980. But me know them Crystal grab the house where it's Crystal and me are also making an inside out from the granny, from the father to the auntie to even know America.
Can I ask you a question?
You understand me?
Miss Marie, do you think that knowing what you know of Miss Maxine, Crissy, so knowing what you know of Crissy's mother, Miss Maxine, right? Question. That she would agree with Crissy not seeming not fend her daughter?
You're mad?
Did you hear me?
Maxine rather don't chat to Crystal. No, I said Maxine. Her mother, the mother that I know, the Crystal, the Maxine, Crystal mother that I know, she rather do not speak to Crystal, period.
Okay.
See when you see Maxine, see when she come here and talk, Maxine on a filter.
Okay.
And I believe even intimidate Crystal right there living and I protect her people there. Let me tell you the thing where CMR use have pang. Listen to the voice the voice thing where the lady Tasha White said out the other day where I say when Crissy put the prank, say she can't leave him and them divorce and him say you can't go nowhere, you can't.
Some of viewers and subscribers, you hear all that? Who do you hear all that? The big, bad, and bossy. That's why when people come talk to me and tell me about my bad mind, the bad mind people ain't got nothing. Me name bad mind people who got millions, much less bad mind people who got nothing. You hear the lady say? And them have to take up money, send go give CMR mother at Jamaica. And him a go on like him a big gun and him a big dog. Meanwhile, him a chastise the woman. Me tell you say, you know, the call come in and when the call come in, the call said to me say, ease up little bit off of Crissy neck. Cause Crissy cannot make a move, she can't do nothing. My viewers and subscribers, you see his son come through in there? Right on my face, his son come through and I say, all you can see is aside. My viewers and subscribers, anyway, you know what I say? This brother you continue talk and continue talk and continue talk. And each time he want me mouth. As the lady say, each time he want me mouth, I dig him a dig. I dig him a dig. A deeper grave for himself. And I put down the lady. And I put down Crissy underneath. And I put down the little girl. This lady is a social worker, she know what go on, and she knows saying can't go over the yard. So when him a take video and in the yard, he not supposed to do that. Even though the case drop, he not supposed to do that. Cause you the social worker say, cause me know that. And that's why me I say, when him a do that? When him a do that? That's why me know that. Even though the case drop, he not supposed to do that. At the house. My viewers and subscribers, more to come on this situation, yeah? But me get this info and me go make you get it so you can really realize what really are going on. So anyway, my viewers and subscribers, no say a word, peace and love, enough respect, enough manners, and remember, say something if you see something. If you know something, say something. Big respect, enough love, and manners. I'm out. Peace.